Alright, so our resin is all mixed up. Today I'm using this Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast. This is what I used on the last project, and it worked out pretty good. I didn't need to vacuum it, and it still didn't really have any air bubbles or anything. So we're going to start with a turquoise, and then go to a blue, to a purple. I used these mica dyes, and I've also got two little accents here. It's going to be kind of a copper and a gold that I'm going to kind of put through the top there to give it kind of like a galaxy swirly kind of effect to break up the blues and purples. I just went and parted the bottom off the lathe here. I just have to sand that down and finish it, but overall, this thing turned out pretty cool. The one thing I don't like is this pretty obvious witness line here. That's the first pour resin, and then I had to get more resin. So when I came back, I poured this, but this top had already hardened because it was so hot. So it didn't quite fade in how I wanted it. But I think the blue is pretty cool. And I really like this purple part. It's pretty cosmic like I was going for. Inside doesn't look too bad either. So I'd say it was a pretty good learning experience since this is only the second resin piece I've done. This one obviously a lot more resin. So pretty good learning experience and overall pretty happy with it.